December 21st, 2020. How's it going, guys? What we're going to talk about today is a couple visions that I had. And one vision I had a few weeks ago, and I'm going to explain it. And then I had one in the early morning hours this morning I want to talk about. Check out the sky, guys. Okay, the first thing we're going to talk about is I had a vision a few weeks back of a chamber. And in this chamber basically was a table, a wood table, and it had a menorah on it. Now the menorah had been basically looked like it was laying on its side, been knocked over. There was dust all over everything on the table, and there was two other objects on this table that I could see. So I didn't really say anything about it because I wanted to wait and see, basically where this would go with all this, because I didn't understand it. And then it also gave me the idea I thought that would be kind of cool to make a menorah. That's why I made one. But now we need to talk about some other things. I had a vision in the early morning hours of actually two of these three-headed birds. Now these three-headed birds were in battle in midair. A great battle being waged between them. And I thought, well, wonder what that could be. So I did some research, and if you start looking at all this, there's several things that gets brought up about Genesis, and you go back to and Russia in 9/11. I mean 1911, not 9/11. Excuse me, 1911. Correct? Yes. All right. And what it was about, this book was written about how in 1911, three races came together to form. One was Mongols. The other one was the Slavs. And how did you say that last one?
The Varanians.
The Varanians, yeah. And they came together. So I think symbolic, what I seen in my vision this morning, is saying to us that there's going to be a great battle. But races are going to come together. And that is what I'm seeing in my vision, anyway. Basically, it came together to defeat the serpent. There's only one source. And that, like I say, is the light. You stand in the light so you can walk through the darkness. Anyway, guys, just a short video. Have a good one.